Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Tuesday, March the 21st. My name is Barry Anerson, moderator of our trading room. This is the address to get in. And I get live on the mic at around 9 a.m. to up to 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And let me just bring out a chart here. Well, today we finally had a day in which the SPY, the overall market, finally took, doesn't look like we're going to have a bounce, but there's still an hour or 2.5 hours left. Second here, 2.5 hours left. So we'll see what happens. But sort of an interesting look at it because here's where it closed yesterday, and it actually had in after hours had a pop, and the pre-market was holding. But look at this steady move down. So I mean, if you're trying to trade stocks going long, stocks that are dependent on the SPY, and most of the banks were the ones, and the bios were the ones that giving it up today. You were definitely in a losing trend. So that's why when we look at Holly had, I believe, I think she had 8 long strategies and 3 short strategies that were optimized for today. She tried a couple longs right at the beginning, and she's been silent ever since. I mean, which makes sense because most of the long strategies do require some decent movement with the SPY, or at least not downward moves like this. So anyway, very quiet day for the SPY, very quiet day for me. My best trade was this ago. Let's bring up the daily chart on it. You'll see maybe why. I saw this one all day yesterday. So here is yesterday's candle. I stuck an alert at 37.52, right at the low of that candle there. Back to our 15 or a 5-minute time frame. So I had the alerts right there. I got short on it at 37.47. Right there, 37.47. Rode this down. Got out some at 37.10, 37.13, and then on the way back up, 37. I think it was 12, something like that. So anyway, not bad. It was fairly quick, and this was indicative of a lot of the financial stocks. A lot of them are looking like this. It'd be very interesting to see what happens tomorrow to them, but a lot of them are looking like this. A little bit of consolidation and this big down day today. So as I say, a lot of consolidation and then the down day. As I was saying in the room, if this were like what I call a normal stock, like not tied to the banking sector or a bio, but it was a stock, say, that had released earnings, I'd be really interested to see what this one would do tomorrow. Continuation down day, but I mean it's so tied to the sector that you never know what's going to happen. So that's the good. The bad, V-Ray. Looked at this one. If you take a look, I believe you look left. I think this is sort of a new high, lifetime high. When I look at it, I don't see anything before last year. So now it's possible it was some kind of a reverse split, and it's not indicated on the charts. But bottom line is there was really nothing left. So I decided to take this, and I was really going to swing this one. I got in almost right at the high here, 29.30. Got out just at 7.01 on this downturn here. And now it sounds like a big loss, but as I said in the room, I share sized such that I was looking to swing this one. So of course, if I'm going to swing something, I have a wider stop, fewer shares. So it's the same sort of loss. I'm always planning for the same type of a loss. So it didn't get hurt too bad, even though it was a almost a 30-cent loss on it. But I didn't have that many shares because I was looking to swing this one. And let's see what else. Yeah, UCBI, I tried to short this one. I might get back into this short, but I got shaken out of it just a little bit. The market is chopping around. I got all these bank stocks are very, very tied to the to what the overall market is doing. So I got into this one, I think at 29.93, right about here on this candle, and then it popped up over 27. Got out, took about a 7-cent loss on it. Looking maybe to get back in, but anyway, I just really going to sit on hands for a while. I actually took a stab at this one. Had a great pop in the pre-market. The great pre-market, and once the market opened, had a great pop. Looked like it was really going to keep running. But I guess even this overall market caught up to it. Took a flyer on it right here. I thought, okay, it started to recover Let me get to a 5-minute chart. It showed a little bit better. Yeah, this action right here, thought, okay, the red bar, here's the green bar, took the trade right around here. I don't want to say I broke a rule, but usually I wait for the 9 break or for the whole number break. Decided not to this time. The news on this one is that they did close their 700. What was it now? Where is that number? Shoot, I don't have the number, but it was about 100. I want to say $130 million financing that they did down at 675. I mean, that was the reason for the big drop. Here they did a financing. It basically kind of consolidated. Did not get down to the. I think it was 675. I think that was the area of the financing. Did not. Excuse me. Did not get down there. Had a great day yesterday. And still, I think that if the market settles down a little bit, I think this one can, at some point maybe make another run at the 10 and continue. But we'll see. It's difficult in a market like today, no matter what your stock is, even if you think it's kind of that alpha stock that can trade on its own. Very, very few were doing that today. Anyway, that's it. Quite an inactive day for me, and I'll see what happens for the rest of the day. Okay, there's about a little over 2 hours left. See if maybe the market puts in a little rally at the end. All right. Well, thanks for listening. And again, I'll open the room at about 8:45 Eastern Time. Get live on the mic at 9. So I hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye bye.